All right, so this is the back of my door, and the back of my door has like a hook, towels, robes, mask, the things that I basically just grab and go leave the house with. Yeah, this is the back of my door. Then coming in, this is what you see. You see this frame. This was originally brown, but I spray painted it and did like a mini design inside of there, like with stripes with glitter tape. And that's my light switch. I did all my switches in here. I put glitter on them. Your girl is extra. It's the details for me, okay? But then behind the door, this is my inspiration wall. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But yeah, so that's basically just me. A few things about me, like awards, things that I want to do in life, quotes, my calendar, which I gotta update, a full-length mirror, and yeah, SpongeBob in the cut. But that's behind the door. So after that, this is what you see when you first walk in. This is the first half of my room. But this is the side that I sleep on. But yeah, these stools, they cost $30 at Ross. They originally came red, but I spray painted silver, and then I bought those little cushions off of Amazon. So those cushions did not come. Well, I gotta fix them, but these cushions did not come with it. I bought these off of Amazon, and I'll link everything down below. You got my hamper. This is the side that I sleep on, so you know I got the cords hidden over there, a laptop there because I know I'll be in bed in class. This rug is also from Amazon. The nightstand was from Badcock, and the handles to it, I bought from Amazon. I love the details once again. It's lovely. The top, I put like a black thing down because I use the tops a lot. So yeah, I put the tops, the black sticker thing on them myself. And on each nightstand, I have a lamp, a vase with flowers, and a picture frame of myself or my family. But yeah, the frame I DIY'd. I spray painted silver and then put glitter on. So yeah, and then face from Dollar Tree, flowers don't know where. And then these mirrors up top I've had for a long time. I just put black glitter around the edges to make them aesthetically pleasing. Over here I got my name. I spray painted those. They were originally silver, but yeah, spray painted those. This mirror, let me get up. This mirror, if you can see that, this mirror was a DIY. I also spray painted it silver and just hung it up to the side that I sleep on. Coming over to the bed, yes, this is the main attraction, honey. This bed I also spray painted. You give me a bottle of spray paint and I'll make anything, you know, look good, like. But yeah, this is my bed. Once again, I spray painted it silver. I love the back with the diamonds. That was like the theme that I wanted. And if you don't know, this wall was originally gray, but I painted it. So yeah, but yeah, the bedding, I know it's a king. This is why I like it's too big for my bed, but bedding I don't know. This little throw I got from Amazon, and I really like it because it's like a, how do you say it? One of those that like you can go from color. Yeah, I keep it on the silver side since that's the thing. The front 5 mirror, the front 5 pillows I DIY'd. Yes, you're gonna know how to sew. Survival skills. But yeah, I sewed those on myself. The 2 in the back I got from a different bed kit. The white ones I bought from Amazon. The gray one was a present from my mom. And then behind those, I have the pillows that I actually sleep on at night, which is some white satin and black satin pillows. I also have a fur rug here, but across from my bed is my TV. So this is what you see when you're laying in bed. TV was from Walmart. The clock above it, I don't know where. This was also a DIY. I think you can probably tell because the bottom one's still low-key gold. But DIY, I just printed out some pictures and put it there. I thought they look nice, so called it a day. On this side, I have, that is from Five Below, and just some bags that I use. I also DIY'd that, just spray painted the letters silver, call it a day. That is my closet, won't be going in there. I got that shelf that holds that vase from Five Below, a full-length mirror, and then some medals that I have earned over the years. These curtains, free, I think from Amazon, yeah, especially the silver ones. It is sunset outside, so I'm clear to see that. These frames are from Amazon. You're probably wondering why I have no pictures in them. But I ordered my senior pictures. If you haven't seen those yet, you know, my @ will be right there if you wanna, you know, follow me on Instagram, get the deets, get the juice. But yeah, so I ordered them, and they'll be coming soon, and I'll just put my senior pictures in there. On the other side, I don't really use up this side a lot, but it's the same concept of nightstand, picture, different pictures, vase, lamp, and mirror. But yeah, that is my room.